Right, hi again, this is Sean Cole from SC Vital Fitness. We've just been through press-ups last week and how you can regress a press-up to make it easier. So after a lot of comments, people are now asking how can we make press-ups a little bit harder and put them into our routine. So I'm going to give you a few variations. The first one here is a close arm press, which will concentrate really on your triceps. And as you can see, Chris has got them locked in, but what he's doing, he's maintaining this nice straight body with a squeezed glute and his squeezed abs. And then we're gonna go from there and we're gonna go into a banded press up. So what you do here, you still maintain that core strength through the abs and the glutes, but we're also gonna put a band around to increase the resistance in that upper range of the press up, which is Chris is showing awesomely well there. And then the next thing we can do, we can go to a decline. This is probably one of your more difficult press-ups where you'll put your foot on the bench, but remember, squeeze glutes, squeezed abs, keeping the arrow head, and you go nice and slowly down to remain using that tempo to, gain a bit of strength and gain a bit of muscle. Then last but not least, this is one of Chris's variations that he's done with the sliders. So with the sliders, you can really put some effort into doing the press up and sliding yourself out. So you're using your arms independently. An awesome different press up variation and really tough. So I suggest you give these a go. And if you've got any comments about any of the press ups that Chris has done, just pop them below.